My name is Brianna Diaz, and this video is going to be of me showing you how to make green enchiladas. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is put one of your cans of cream of chicken inside your blender, add about half of the can of water, and one of your jalapenos becomes this consistency, and then just repeat the same steps for each of your cans. I'm only going to make two. And I added about like 3 tablespoons of oil, and I'm adding all of my sauce into the pan and bringing it to a high heat. You want to constantly be stirring it because it will stick at the bottom of the pan. I ended up using 2 cans of the cream of chicken and put all 3 of the jalapenos inside. The sauce is bringing up to a boil. I'm going to shred my cheese. I'm using Chester cheese, but you could really use any cheese you like, but it's personal. Okay, so the next step is to fry our tortillas, and I'm using the brand Mission, but you can use any brand. Just make sure that they're corn tortillas. I'm using about this much, but only because I have a big family. You can use as many as you like. So the family size rotisserie chicken is shredded, and so is all the cheese. Now it's time to build our enchiladas. So grab a tortilla and put it inside of your sauce. This right here is just from where the sauce has been cooling down and like being heated up again. But it's totally fine. You could scoop it out if you like or not. It doesn't really matter. So when you dunk the tortilla in, make sure you drench all of it. And then get some chicken. Put it inside of on top of the tortilla, and then get some cheese as well and put it on top as well. And then if you want onion, you could add onion, but I don't, so I'm not going to. And then you just roll it up and you repeat the process for how many enchiladas you want. All of mine, and then you just want to add a little bit more sauce on top if you want to. If not, it's fine if you don't have to. And then top it off with a handful of cheese, and you could pop it into the microwave so that the cheese melts, or you could just eat it like this. But that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you make it.